Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the kind of video mode just by tapping on this icon here. And if it is highlighted, if you can see the dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we have to open the options, so swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, just like that. And the second option is connected with the resolution. We've got two different options, the FHD option, which is currently applied, and 4K. So in order to set the 4K, simply tap on it. It is right now highlighted, it is notified here. Here we've got also this icon which will show us which resolution has been applied, and obviously from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. So basically this is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.